Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at making a stem and leaf plot. And to make a stem and leaf plot, first let me talk about what it is. It's basically kind of like a leaf. Okay, so let's say you have your stem, and then you have your leaf, and you got everything that comes off the stem here, like so. Okay, so you have your stem, which is your main part, and then the leaves that come off of it. That's where it gets its name. But it's going to look like a T-chart, like so. Okay, so I have my stem, and then you have your leaves. Okay, so what goes under the stem is everything in the 10 spot. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is look at the 10 spot. And we want to go in numerical order from the smallest to the greatest. So the smallest number in the 10 spot here is 0. Okay, see how these numbers have a single digit? So in the 10 spot would be a 0. So that's the smallest. The next one up is 1s. The next one after that is 2s. So that's your first step. Get all your numbers. And if, let's say it was no 1s but had 2s, you would just skip 1. You wouldn't write it. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is figure out, that's the stem. We want to figure out what goes with the leaves. So let's figure that out. So under 0, we're going to look at every single number that goes with, has a 0 as a 10. So we have 8, 9, 9, and 8. Okay, and I'm going to take those and put them in numerical order. And you don't, if you have an 8, you put an 8. If you have 2 8s, you put 2 8s. So I'm going to put an 8, another 8, a 9, and a 9. Okay, now I'm going to move to the ones that are teens. So I have, and I'm going to circle it to make it easier here. Okay, I'm going to go in numerical order. So I'll have, I'm missing some here. There we go. All right, so I've got, my smallest is 2. I only have 1 2. I have 2 3s. I have a 4, a 5, and a 9. All right. Now, finally, I'm going to go ahead and go to the 20s here. Put those in the square. And that's just 0 and 1. So I have 0 and 1. And that's a stem and leaf plot. You only got one more step. You want to make your key. So the key in this case is just to indicate what it looks like. So here I have a key. And I have 1/9. And I'm just going to put what it means. It means 19. Just to indicate what your key means. All right. That's making a stem and leaf plot, part 1. And part 2, I'm going to go over how to make a back-to-back stem and leaf plot. But for now, thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.